I've been perfectly happy with my old Lamzu Maya mouse. This one's right here. It's my main mouse until today. I mean, this is my first gaming mouse since I've made my YouTube channel and built my own PC. This one's been rocking with me for the last year. Yeah, it's like 1 year now. It's lightweight and super comfortable in my hand. I'm an Asian, like I'm Indonesian, so I don't have really a big hand. Probably this big or not, maybe not too big, right? So it's my hand. It's really comfortable with me. Pretty much very comfy so far. But curiosity always wins, right? So when I saw the new Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2C, yeah, the compact version, not the regular one, I was like, let's just buy it, right? So yeah, that's what I did. I buy the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2C. Alright, so let's see what's inside the box of my new Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2C. That's quite a mouthful. Let's do it. Alright, this is the package of my Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2C. The packaging's clean and minimal, like you'd expect from Logitech Superlight series. Let's open it. The peeling feels so satisfying. Inside, we've got the mouse right up front. It's really cool, huh? I mean, the unboxing experience is always the one that I really love about doing all of this. Look at that. I know Logitech for some people is really overrated because mixed feelings about Logitech mouses. From what I see in the reviews and everyone that know flagship mouses, gaming mouses. But I don't know, it's my first impression, so I'm not really affected by all of those opinions. I just want to try it myself. So here's inside the box. We got the cables. It's the dongle. Yeah, we got the dongle here. It's a 1000 hertz up to no, the max is 8000 hertz. Let's open this one up. The usual stuff. We've got the cable that we can connect to the dongle. If there's nothing inside, rather than this one is we have the circular PTFE that we can change with the optional skate if you want more glide, if you want more sliding feeling. I don't know what to say, like the stickers or what do you call it, like the tape, yeah, the grip tape, and usual manual for the mouse, and also extra documentations. That's pretty much it from inside the box of the mouse. I'm curious about the comparison of my Lamzu Maya with this mouse, with my new mouse. Here's a quick size comparison next to my Lamzu Maya, non-X version of course, the old version of Lamzu Maya. The 2C is definitely like shorter and slightly narrower, so it feels a bit more controlled for fingertip grip or maybe claw grip also. Shape-wise, it's really familiar for me, but I don't know, maybe like more refined, less round, and for me it's pretty similar. And this is from the Elo shape version if you want to make additional comparison for the shape. Lamzu Maya and Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2C is pretty much similar, like I said, but Lamzu Maya is a little bit wider on the edge, and it's a little bit lower too with the scroll wheel there. Yeah, right. And the back of the mouse, it's also a little bit lower than the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2C. For me, in my hand, it feels, I don't know, it feels familiar with Lamzu Maya, and it feels comfy. Alright, now let's do a quick sound test for this mouse. This clicks feel so crispy, it feels snappy, and I don't know, it feels better than my Lamzu Maya in my opinion. And yeah, the scroll wheel doesn't have sound. Unlike my Lamzu Maya, there's a sound when I click the Lamzu Maya, but you're using the middle mouse. But the 2C doesn't have any sound. It's really minimal. It feels so quiet with the middle mouse button or middle mouse click. Overall, what I feel about this mouse, for someone that never ever have Logitech gaming mouse before, like the Superlight 1 or Superlight 2 regular version or the SE version, something like that. I know about SE version that they launched too, and going from my old budget friendly Lamzu Maya to Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2C, I think for me though, my personal opinion is really worth it. I know it's overpriced, something like that, and people kind of like have mixed reviews about this one, but I think, I don't know, I just curious. Why not try? I don't know, it's a once in a lifetime, right? So I guess I don't know, it feels for me that I hope I can make it worth it with this one and enjoy this as my new main gaming mouse. So it's really it's really fit into my hands. It's really cool, so I don't regret anything. Thank you for watching. If you like this one, you can buy it too. If you don't, maybe you have your own argument or maybe you have your own opinion, share with me in the comment section below, and I will see you on the next video. Keep on gaming, guys, and peace out.